evening to all our clients in India and good afternoon to all our clients in Dubai and Abu Dhabi. It's a great pleasure. Today is a very special day, but I would definitely want to start first by thanking our clients. People say customers, Bhagwan hote hai, client is the customer is the king. If client is not there, we are not there. So thank you so much for your time. I am very confident that this 45 minutes to 1 hour that you'll spend today, there will be good value addition. I would also want to start by thanking Mr. Ramdev Agarwal. Thank you so much, Ramdev ji, for your time. Surabhi said so many things about him, but he actually, from what I understand, is a farmer's son who came here, did his chartered accountancy, and started from scratch and has built a big reputation. He's known as the Warren Buffett of India. People say if cricket was a religion, Tendulkar would be God. I would say if equity is a religion, Ramdev ji will be God. So it's really good to have him here. We have heard him so many times on television. Today he has come for Karvy Private Wealth exclusively. So I'm very grateful to you, sir. Before we actually go into the topic and discussing equity, I just want to put things in perspective. And as they say, start with the why. Why are you here today? And why are you investing? At one level, you have come here to get the knowledge, to understand some strategies for investment. But at a larger level, you are investing because you have various goals in life. And that is what is the corporate mission we have defined at Karvy Private Wealth. Our corporate mission is to help our clients achieve their dreams and goals by doing a combination of safety, liquidity returns, identifying the right products and the right partners like Motilal Oswal AMC. Customer is the king is just a statement, but actually, if you genuinely believe in this, we will compare this with the game of chess. I keep on reminding myself and keep on reminding my team. In the game of chess, sabse pehle we protect the king, and then we take the king towards the path of victory. Similarly, in wealth management, it is our job to protect first. Protect your wealth, protect your capital, look at your goals, and then slowly but surely and safely take you towards the path of your life, towards your goals, towards your victory. Today's topic is very relevant and today's topic is very important, how the markets are behaving and how the fundamentals are behaving. And we will talk about that. A lot of people are talking about, are the markets going ahead of fundamentals, V-shaped recovery? Are these Robinhood traders across the globe pushing the markets up, and what is going to happen? We will talk about that. But before that, just to set the context, uh, today we're talking of equity, and some of you will be aware that we do a regular knowledge series. A few weeks back, we did a discussion on debt and on credit, and today it's equity. And nobody better than Motilal Oswal Fund House, because they deal only in equity. But before we go to the main topic, I will just want to request you to look at 6 things which actually are a part of the word equity. We have actually cut the word EQUITY and looked at words which one should look at when one invests. So normally when we talk of E, we talk of economy and earnings. And as Warren Buffett had said, the stock price is a slave of the earnings of the company. But when, as an investor, you have to also look at entry. It's very easy to understand when to enter, but it's people like Mr. Agarwal who will tell us when to exit. Ideally, a good stock, one should never exit. After that, it can be asset allocation call. But something very interesting happened. Warren Buffett himself exited the entire holding in airline stocks post-COVID. So when a fundamental event happens, you need to exit. And that is important. That is something I would request you to look at. E for not just earnings and economy and entry, but also exit. Q is very important. QGLP is the philosophy of what Motilal Oswal asset management. Q is quality of business. Q is quality of management. And as Ramdevji himself says, 1 into 0 is 0. Both have to be 1. So in today's context, it's not just the experience, the expertise, the skills, it's also the resilience and how the management is rebounding after COVID, and also integrity and corporate governance. Otherwise, as Ramdevji says, you become a zero from a hero. U to my mind is very important. It's also one of the philosophies of Ramdev ji. You can stand for what is underlying value or undervaluation. price and value. You can buy a stock at the price, but you should have value which is higher than the price. I'm just going to give you a small example. Ramdev ji will have hundreds of much larger examples. I'm giving my own example. I remember 2.5, 3 years back, there was a Hindustan Times award ceremony, and Mr. Mukesh Ambani had made a very, very nice speech when he for the first time spoke that data is the new oil, data is the new soil. And he spoke of the next industrial revolution being led by India on data. And that is the time I actually went and bought Reliance in my own personal portfolio. And that was real undervaluation. Maybe even today it is undervalued. But to make real good long-term wealth, one has to look at underlying value and undervaluation. That's the U. The I in EQUITY stands for investment manager, investment advisor. A lot of people talk of DIY, do it yourself. If I have 100 fever, I will take a crocin, I'll sleep off. My fever will go away. If I've got 102 fever, and if I have got a stomach upset and I'm shivering, unless I have a doctor in the family or I have medical knowledge, I'll go to an expert. Similarly, a lot of you have a lot of things that you enjoy, which is beyond equity. So you spend your time there, earn your wealth there, and give it to an expert, whether it is an investment manager like Karbi Private Wealth or a fund manager like Motilal Oswal. So I for the right investment manager. T is very simple. T is again what Warren Buffett talks about. It's about time in the market, not timing the market. And I will just give you one more small example. It's about time in the market. Something I've learned from my own failure. I used to work for Unit Trust of India. I bought the UTI Bank stock in the IPO for 35 rupees. A few years later, Axis Bank got an investor called HSBC. I sold the stock for 135. Then later, when Raghuram Rajan took over as RBI governor, I bought the stock for 700. In 40 days, I sold for 1,000. And later, the stock was 2,000. And I thought I was a hero. I was actually zero. If I'd actually not timed the market and had stayed with the stock from 35 to 2,000, just imagine where would the investment have been. So T is the time in the market. You have to give it time. Buy right, sit tight is what Motilal Oswal says. Many years back, there was a very nice Hero Honda ad which says, fill it, shut it, forget it. I think that is something we have to look at. And finally, the why. Why is something I feel very strongly about, and I really want you to think about this differently. Why is years to double or years to multiply? Normally, when our clients look at their investment, they compare, yeah, what is the return I have got? My CAGR is 5%, 7%, 10%, net of inflation 5%. Now, that is something we have done in the past, and the last 10 years, you have seen Nifty returns have just been 7% per annum. But there have been stocks which have done much, much more. Keep the simple rule of 72. 72 is the number, you divide that by the rate of return per annum, and what you get is the number of years of doubling your investment. So if the return is 15%, you double your money in 5 years. The return is 24% per annum, you double your money in 3 years. But to add to that, the eighth wonder of the world, the power of compounding. If you, अगर आपका return 24% per annum 10 साल के लिए है, it's not 24%, it is 10 times, 10 times. So I would really request our clients to become ambitious, to be bold, and not look at CAGR. Just imagine you give 50 lakhs today, and 10 years down the line, you get 5 crores. That is the power of equity, and that is the power of compounding, and that is the power of long term. So EQUITY. E for not just economy and earnings, but entry and exit. Q for quality of management and quality of business. U for the underlying value or undervaluation. I for the expert investment manager, fund manager. T for time in the market, not timing. And Y for years to multiply. That is all I would like to say.